Federal District Court took away the government's primary enforcement tool to keep immigrants indefinitely detained without a bond hearing away. Immigration judges across the country have been citing to a case called Matter of Yahuri Hurtado to deny bond hearings to detained immigrants. But now with this order, the immigration courts are required to give eligible individuals bond hearings. ICE is now supposed to identify potentially eligible individuals for bond and let them know that they have the ability to request a bond. This notice has to be given to detainees in a language that they understand, and going forward, anyone who is newly arrested or detained by ICE has to be given this notice of their rights for a bond hearing. ICE also has to give detainees access to a phone to contact a lawyer once they are notified that they may be eligible for bond. So the immediate effect of this is that Matter of Yahuri Hurtado, which again is the case that judges were relying upon to justify no bond, is no longer valid law. Immigration judges who were using it as an authority to deny bond can no longer do so. Now, there have been reports of some judges trying to say that this ruling still does not apply to them. However, there are also many judges who are in fact abiding by this order. However, for the thousands of people who are currently detained and that weren't previously eligible for bond, this is good news. The order means that they're entitled to notice of their rights pursuant to this court order and, upon request, a bond hearing before an immigration judge. Up until this order, one of the only ways to get out of immigration custody would be through the filing of a habeas corpus petition in federal court. So now with this order, a habeas may no longer be necessary. Share this with anybody who you think could benefit from it and follow us for more immigration news and information.